Hey guys, on today's video I wanted to do a little test with you guys to see if this baking soda and hot water hack works to eliminate some stains or some tarnishing on your jewelry. What you'll need is some baking soda. This is just hot water, which I got from my tap, but our tap water is really hot, and then just like a little towel that you don't care about for your surface. I also just grabbed a toothbrush that I don't care about because I'm going to use this to scrub the paste. So the first thing we're going to do is create a little paste. So it's supposed to be 3 to 1, so 3 portions to 1 portion hot water. Mix that up. Then I'm going to pop in the pieces of jewelry and hope to God I'm not ruining them. These are my Jenny Bird earrings that I believe are plated, and I just wear them a lot and they've gotten really grody and really tarnished. And I saw this little hack online and I wanted to see if it's actually gonna work. I'm particularly interested to see if it will polish the back of those little charms because they've gotten a little bit destroyed. I can see that like the baking soda is getting grimy, probably because there's a few pieces of debris in the clasp part that was getting a little bit gross. I think even if it doesn't totally polish the back of the plate, I think generally they'll just look nicer and more shiny. Okay, are we ready to take one out? Oh, I should have done one and then left the other one. But that looks really nice and clean. Okay, actually I'm quite impressed. It didn't take it away completely, but it definitely looks nicer than when I had it before. Cool. I wonder if the hot water was like more, or if the water was hotter. I wonder if it would have made a difference. Ooh, I'm actually quite pleased. Cool. I'm just gonna go ahead and do the other one. The nice thing with soda is that it's not toxic. It won't damage your jewelry. It won't do anything to your hands. Okay, so I'm going to use this towel to just buff them clean. This is actually a really good way to clean your jewelry that's not 100% gold either, right? Because I know we have a lot of like gold filled jewelry or brass based jewelry that makes it tarnish, or copper based that makes it tarnish. These look really good. I am shocked. These look amazing actually. All right. Looks like this trick actually works. It's not completely gone, like you can tell. I don't know if you can see the back of the plate here still has a couple marks, but I feel like if I had done this trick a long time ago before it got really bad, it might have prevented it from getting any worse. Oh, there you have it, folks. How to polish and salvage your gold-plated jewelry. Thanks for watching, guys. Let me know if you guys like these kinds of little tutorials. Let me know in the comments down below if you'll try this trick or if you have any other tricks to clean your jewelry. I'd love to know. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye!